Hi, Snowy Montana here with cool new uses for normal stuff. I'm going to tell you how to make 5 houses in under 30 minutes. Well, houses for these guys anyway. I live in the Northern Rockies where we have long, cold winters. A handful of brave birds stay here through the winter, and among them are chickadees. They're tiny, friendly, and fun to watch, but they need a place to spend the night. Normally, big old dead trees would have a few holes in them from rot or woodpeckers that they would occupy, but these are sometimes hard to find, especially in areas that have been logged. So grab your battery-operated drill and a 1 1/4 inch self-feed bit and find a dead tree, start drilling. Enlarge the holes as much as you can beyond the opening and then move on to the next tree. Keep going, and in under half an hour you'll have a bunch of holes and a bunch of trees, and a bunch of chickadees can move in. It's a good idea to keep a few dead trees around your property. They benefit wildlife in many, many ways. Eventually, somebody's going to find these holes and they'll be grateful for a place to live. Thanks for watching.